you're leaking again. Ooh, damn. That was an axle.
I'll get you out of here, buddy. Don't you worry. Hey, what's happening, Paul?
Scott, what did you do?
Like in my shop and stuff over. Why isn't it arcing?
Oh, I don't have it on.
Hey, why did you try that?
We never turns with it on.
No.
Not to say hurry, but I've got a pain radius. I've done it a handful of times.
Is there like a sign right there? Like
What you do is you drive on, then you look at your right and go, oh, I'm sorry, I thought this was the way out, and you drive off. Yeah, we did have to Spring Creek a few times.
Eventually it'll start.
I know, that was like 4,300 pounds trail weight, like me. Yeah, that sounds about right. I mean, somebody need a welder?
Get his picture, please. That is making a video.
Are we all set?
Not yet.
There you go. That actually sounds like a weld.
Wiggle it, see what it feels like. But don't wiggle hard. Is that up and up?